to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to check RAM memory in Windows. So checking the RAM memory in Windows is actually very simple. For that, first of all, what you have to do is launch up a task manager. In order to do that, click on the search icon that you can see at the taskbar. Now simply search for task manager. Now you'll be able to find the option for task manager over here. Simply click on it. Now you can see over here the task manager will be opened. You'll be able to find several options like processes, performance, app history, startup, users, details and services. So if you want to see the RAM, what you have to do is click on the option performance. Now you'll be led to the performance interface. At left you'll be able to find several options like CPU, memory, disk 1, Wi-Fi, etc. Simply click on the option memory. Now you'll be able to see the information regarding memory over here. You'll be able to see the memory uses, memory consumption. Also you'll be able to see the in-use memory, committed memory, etc. So if you want to see the total RAM, simply look right over here. This is the total RAM of your device. Likewise, this is the RAM that is being used right now. Also you'll be able to see other options like cached, paste full, non-paste full, etc. So like this, you'll be able to check the RAM memory. So that is how you check RAM memory in Windows. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.